So, in this video, we have decided to share a few best Google search tricks and Easter eggs that would help you to use Google search in a more efficient way. So, let's check out the best Google search tips and tricks to maximize your search efficiency. 1. Find the relevant keywords. To get the search suggestions, you just need to type in the starting words of the keyword. It will automatically suggest the most relevant searches. This trick is mostly used by search engine optimizers and bloggers. 2. Use Google as a timer. You can easily start a timer on Google search. All you need to do is to just type in the set timer plus duration on the search box. 3. Know the exact sunrise-sunset time. Want to know the exact sunrise and sunset time of your city? Just search for sunset sunrise plus location on the search box. 4. Convert inches into centimeter. Not many would know, but Google can convert inches into centimeters as well. Just type in the keywords like 1 meter into centimeters and it will show the calculation. 5. Google will translate for you. You can also use Google search to translate words. Just type in the sentence and add in Hindi or in Bengali, etc. at the end. 6. Calculate tip amount. You can calculate the exact tip amount for your meals. Just search for what is the tip for $10 or what is the tip for 1,000 rupees, etc. 7. Find company information. Google will give you information about any company or person. Just search for terms like the founder of company name, CEO of company name, etc. 8. Show weather forecast. Google will show the weather forecast for any city. Just search for location name plus forecast on the search box. 9. Check the results of any particular website. You can check the search results of any particular website. For that, type in siteandroid.com, replace android.com with your website. This is one of the useful Google search tricks. 10. Find movie timings and location. Want to know the exact movie times and locations? Just search the movie name plus location on the search box.